Well, so we've gone back to our classic Tom Brady wings. So here on out, what we're gonna do, two ingredients, some Tabasco sauce, which is super hot by the way, and some cube butter. This is how it originally began. When everyone says, hey, I want some buffalo wings, some buffalo wings, some buffalo wings. A little spot right in Buffalo, New York. That's how it all started. Took some hot sauce, a little bit of butter, worked it on down, tossed it up in some wings. Bam! Blue cheese, what do you have? Blue cheese! So, that's what we're doing today. We have our pan right here. So let's get this going. I don't like you. There we go. We're going to go with that one. So, what we're going to do, we're going to take our butter, add in 3, drop it off. My version, I'm doing it a little bit different. So we have a little bit of hot sauce as well as Tabasco. I kind of like that slow sensation. Just like that. Cleared up my sinuses. Woo! That will clear up your sinuses. Sit that there. Come back to it. That's what essentially allows buffalo wings, buffalo sauce to coat the wings. It's the butter. The butter reacts and just sticks to it. So this is our sauce right here. Tom Brady wings. That's how it's going down. Right there.